loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and in today's video we are going to be finally organizing my closet. We have now been here for like a month and a half, almost 2 months, which is crazy how fast time flies, but I still haven't organized my closet. I kind of have like the important things like swimsuits and dresses, those are hung, but like things like my jeans, sweaters, sweatsuits, sweatshirts, jackets, all that, gotta find a place for. So the closet in the master bedroom is kind of like Sawyer's mainly, except like the dresser, so I have some of my stuff in there, but this is the guest room slash my office, so most of my clothing will be in here, so that is going to be today's project. I'm going to try to figure out how to organize it. I've been putting it off because we needed to build this trundle bed, which actually has drawers for me to store things in, and honestly I just didn't want to deal with this room because it's just bags and boxes of shoes and jeans. So yeah, we're gonna organize that today. Oh, and this video will probably take place over a few days because this is gonna be quite the process, because I'm probably gonna have to order some things and go to Target a few times to get some organizing things. Yeah, anyways.
It's a process.
It's a process. Hey, you took the words right out of my mouth.
It's a process.
Hey, while you're here, will you move something for me?
Yeah, sure.
Just so you can kind of see what we're working with. Oh, you can't open my closet. It's jammed back there.
Okay.
Okay. He's gonna show you around. This is my little closet. I already have clothes kind of hung. See, this needs to be organized.
This is a lot of potential though for like an office, like when it has AC and you have it all set up cute. This could be so cozy and cute.
And I'm actually excited because what I'm thinking about, see this set of drawers? I'm gonna have Sawyer put it over here. And then I'm going to have this little trundle kind of be like the couch. And then I'm going to have my desk possibly here, or find a little baby desk and have it there. Air conditioning, that's going to be there. But then it'll open up that wall, and if I need to do like racks or shelving for shoes or something over there, I can.
You don't really need a desk for your videos. You just need more so like space to do what you do and have a cute background.
The only thing I want a desk for is just to have a space to work, so I can come in here and close the door. So you're right, I'm not like working on a desk.
You could get away with a smaller one.
So I just want a little one, I think, there.
Oh,
so
it'd be so nice and minimal.
Yeah.
I just think about my big desk with all of my papers on it. And,
but yeah, I think that's the game plan.
I like it. I think it'll work. I think it'll look really good, baby.
And I'm actually excited because this kind of acts like a couch. It's centered on the wall, and we have that shelf there and get a cute plant and lamp, everything there. And I get pretty pictures across, like maybe 3 big ones across the back. When you walk past, it'll just look like a little minimalistic room, office. Now I just gotta figure out where to put all my clothes and shoes.
Okay, I'm blessing my girlfriend with a new lens because this is not nearly wide enough for what she's trying to accomplish, so let's just try it. Bear with me. 3, 2, 1. How's that?
Wow.
Is that wider? Wait, even wider. There.
What?
There you go, baby. This is what you needed to be able to show them your whole room.
I was so like trying to figure it out.
I love you. It's a good thing your boyfriend has an entire camera closet. Enjoy.
So this is my room, guys. Wait, don't go anywhere.
Okay.
I need you.
I gave you the lens. I thought that was... I'm just kidding.
Now I need your muscles.
What do you need? All right. Oh, flatter me.
Okay, so we're going to move. You got that box over there? Okay.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Yeah. Stop. Did you just like punch a hole in our wall?
No, we're good. I thought I did, but we didn't. I'm
What
good.
did you make a noise of?
I don't know. I don't really want to know. I didn't break the wall though.
Let me do one thing before we get all settled. Just so this won't look too perfect. And we can actually probably pull this over just like an inch or 2. Just give me a little more room on that side.
Yeah.
One more. One more.
Oh, do you need me?
I
think I'm
no,
done.
Just leave me to my
I will.
do my mean office.
Love ya.
Love you. Okay, so like I mentioned, my theory is gonna use this as a nightstand, so I wanna get a cute little plant and a little lamp to go on top, so that way for guests, they kind of have a little spot. But basically all that is my storage as well. The drawers down here are also going to be used as my storage. I'm thinking one for jeans, one for sweatshirts, and one for sweaters, especially since I don't need to get into it that often. And then I have this whole wall that I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a open closet concept. So I can do like a wall shelf, I can do like wall shelving, and then maybe get like a hanging rack if I need it, depending on how much clothes I'm able to shove in all these drawers. So let's get started. So I think we'll start with like kind of the easy things like that I know are gonna happen. So I'm gonna start putting my jeans into this drawer. Start there. So I'm gonna try to keep these drawers as organized as possible. I'm gonna do blue jeans and then colored jeans, so white, black, and like pink or tan. Wow, these are bigger drawers than I thought. Yay! Jeans, done. Next we're gonna fold my sweaters. I'm gonna put them on the far end just because I will probably never wear them here. When I got rid of all my sweaters, I pretty much kept the ones that I would either travel with or honestly basically travel with. So I just kept my favorite ones. Being from Utah, I used to have quite the intense sweater collection. Not anymore. Okay, now we're gonna go through sweats and like sweatsuits because I have some matching tops and bottoms, and I'm hoping they'll all fit in here, but I have a feeling they won't. So I'm gonna start folding those and seeing how much I can get in here, and maybe just get rid of some because it's so hot here. You never wear sweatshirts, so yeah. Speaking of hot, okay, the next challenge is starting to organize these shelves. Again, I'm sure I'm going to change this all like a million more times once I get more settled and figure out like where I need things. And I'm probably going to have to move these shelves around, but for now we're just going to like start placing and see what fits where. Now I'm thinking I'm just going to do purses right on this next shelf. I am putting a shelf in the master bedroom for like more of a display for like the purses I use every day. So for like, this will be like more wallets and purses that I don't use on an everyday basis. In this drawer, I'm gonna make it a spot for all of my wallets and fanny packs. Now that I have been staring at this little closet for quite some time, I'm thinking I'm going to lower this shelf and make it another shoe shelf and then move the jean shorts up. I feel like that just makes more sense, so I can do like shoes on the bottom level. Alright, so shelves have been switched. Now I'm going to go through my shoes and see which ones I want to have on hand and have more easily accessible. Like some boots I won't need, so I can keep them in one of these like under the bed storage bins and just keep like my booties and boots under there, so when I travel or I need them, I can obviously pull them out, but they don't need to be in sight all the time. So I'm just going to go through and see what we got. So before I even go through my second box, I kind of want to get an idea of how much room I am working with. So I'm just kind of organizing just to get an idea. I think for now this is a good like rough shoe organization. I have my heels on one level, and then in the back I have some booties. I probably won't wear a lot of booties here, but those are kind of like my most worn ones in the very back. And then we have some loafers and sandals and loafers and sandals. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. The rest of my shoes are in these two bins right here, and I'm actually going to go put those in underneath the guest bed. Someday I want to be able to like display everything or like have it properly put away, but being in Hawaii, you really don't wear booties or anything but sandals and loafers, which is so weird to get used to. Very happy with how it's coming together. I have learned that Hawaii is not really big into big closets. At least this house. They really try to maximize the space in the house, which we appreciate. But once again, I'm spread throughout all 3 closets. Yay. This is going to be our next project. Okay, I did say my next project was trying to figure out this dresser. So I have here my basket of workout clothes that were in my office room and now bringing them in here. So we're gonna work on trying to find a spot and organize my PJs, my workout clothes, and my swimsuits. Yay. So I feel like I can find somewhere else for my swimsuits. I'm kind of thinking of getting like a under the bed basket or something like that. We actually have a lot of room underneath our bed, so I feel like I should just utilize that. Okay, so these are my swimsuits. I also went through them while I was going through them because now that I've been here, I realize what swimsuits I gravitate towards and which one I can sell on Poshmark. So I feel like I want to put my PJs here. I just feel like that makes most sense. So right now, my PJs are a mess down here mixed with some of my workout clothes. So I'm gonna pull my workout clothes out. Well, I started getting a little tired and forgot to film me putting my clothes in, but basically we have workout pants in the back, workout shorts folded back here, we have workout tops, and they have workout sports bras. So it actually all fit, and I went through it as well and pulled out a few things that I knew I wouldn't wear here. Okay, so I'm done organizing for the night, but Sawyer just got home, so I want to show him what I did.
Just got back from the beach.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Look at the top drawer.
My top drawer?
Well,
I'm just kidding.
ours. Mine.
Oh, yours now. Okay, cool.
Workout
Great.
gear.
Cool, I lost it. Okay.
You didn't lose it. It wasn't
What else
used.
you got? I loved it. Is this still mine?
That's still yours. It's still this.
Hey.
Hey, don't even. It's always been there. That's my PJs.
Hey.
What are you talking about?
I'm just kidding. It
I'm
looks
like,
great. It looks great. It looks incredible. baby.
FYI, all that stuff was already there. I don't. So
I just like messing with it. Keeps relationships fresh.
Yeah. Come and check out my room.
Okay. Wow, this looks really nice.
So it's not done, but look, there's no shoe boxes.
It's very nice. Very minimal. It's like an Apple store.
Fine.
Very nice. Wow.
Working with what I got.
Yeah, we could even put another shelf up there. It's very nice, baby. It looks great.
Okay, so it has now been a week. I am really organized, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I landed on with my organization in the 3 different bedrooms. So let's go ahead and show you guys. So in here, I have all of my workout clothes, which you guys saw. So everything's organized by pants, sports bras, and tank tops. Down here, we have swimsuits. I have them organized into baggies, so that way I can always find them and I know exactly what I'm looking for. We have 1 pieces and 2 pieces. And then down here, we have PJs, and I can finally see what's in this drawer. Makes me happy. Okay, I ended up leaving this closet for Sawyer. So this is all his stuff. Come with me. They are now going to the guest bedroom. This is where I have all of my hanging clothes. So in here I just have a clothing rack. Like I said, they did not build this out yet. So I just have a clothing rack in here so I have enough room for all my hanging clothes. So that closet's also mine. We have made it to my office and also my closet. We are still working on the decor. Nothing's been done in here yet. So this is how I ended up organizing the closet in here. I'm sure it's gonna change. I'm gonna like mix things around. Like I said, still settling in. I ended up putting all my bags here. I ended up putting all my wallets and like fanny packs here. We have tennis shoes. We have like tank tops and bodysuits, so just basics in this drawer. We have jean shorts, shoes. The shoe situation might need to be fixed. I might ask Sawyer to actually raise this bar like 6 inches so that way I can see better under there, and then I'll have more storage for shoes. And then on this side, I have all my tops and my blazers and jackets on the bottom. And that's kind of it. That is my closet organization at the moment. Yeah. I forgot one thing. Down here we have sweaters and scarves, which this drawer will probably never get used, but I have it if I am ever traveling somewhere cold. Down here, this drawer will never get used as well, but this is sweatpants and sweatshirts. Maybe one day I will. I do like sweatshirts. I'm just gonna put that away for now. And then lastly, this drawer is jeans and like bottoms, and they're organized by colors. That drawer will only get used when I go to LA or anywhere cold. Anyways, that is it. Okay, well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I organized my closet. Once again, I am spread out between like 3 bedrooms, but it's fine because everything has a home and I'm in Hawaii, so I'm very happy about that. But yeah, I do have some other ideas of how I might expand my closet, like in my office. I'm thinking of like some type of decor shelves so that way I can store like shoes, purses, and things like that, and maybe like a hanging rack. I don't know. Things will probably change, but I just wanted to show you guys like the initial organization of my closet. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions or any ideas or any tips that you guys think I should do or need to know, yeah, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! It is so nice that everything finally has a home, and I know where everything is. Everything's unpacked. Ugh, it's all coming together. I love it. Now I just need to decorate this room. Next project.